We're going to do a little bit of a review about the coordinate plane. Notice that this coordinate plane is made up of two axes. The x-axis, where numbers go more positive as they go to the right. They go negative as they go to the left. We also have this y-axis. Numbers go positive as they go up, and they go negative as they go down. It's divided into 4 quadrants. We have quadrant 1 as the top right quadrant, and then it goes around counterclockwise. Quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Notice that we label them using Roman numerals. It kind of makes this big C shape. So you can think of drawing a C and how it starts in the top right corner and goes around. Okay, so now let's practice plotting some points. We're going to start with this point A. It's at +2, -1. And it's going to go in the order of X, then Y. So I always start here at 0, 0. That's called the origin. And I'm going to do my x's first. And notice that x is this +2. So I'm going to go to the right 2 because x goes positive to the right. And then my y is -1. That tells me what I'm going to do up or down. So I'm going to go down 1 because y is -1. So I get this point right here at 2, -1, and I'm going to label it point A. Now for the next point B, -3, 4, -3. So I'm going to start at 0, 0, and I'm going to go left 3. I always start with my x. So I went left 3. And then my y coordinate is +4, so I'm going to count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll label that point, point B. Let's look at this point C. The x-coordinate is 0. So that tells me that I'm going to move neither left nor right. I'm going to start here at the origin at 0, 0, and I don't go left or right. But I do have a y-coordinate of 5, so now I'm going to go up since it's a +5, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here, and call it point C. And then my last one, it's just the same as the others, this point D, which is -1. So I go left 1, -6, down 6, and I plot that point. I'm going to plot it right here, and that is point D. If I can plot these points, I can plot any point. I'm going to throw in one more. Point E. It is at 2.5, 1.5. Okay, so this involves decimals, and you could also have fractions. 2.5 is halfway between 2 and 3. So I'm going to go to the right to 2.5, which is going to be about halfway between 2 and 3. Then I'm going to go up 1.5, which is halfway between 1 and 2. And so this point, E, the x-coordinate falls between 2 and 3 because it's 2.5, and the y-coordinate falls between 1 and 2 because it's 1.5. If I can plot these, I can plot any point on the coordinate plane.